Data Miner. The best feature in the program, in my opinion. That's my favorite anyways. What you can use data mining for is you can pretty much get anything that you can find on Twitter from any user at any time. As you notice, we have this is basically your rate limits. That way you can tell if you're hammering Twitter's API a bit too hard. It'll let you know, and it will help you to stay within their limits, and it's probably a good idea to not go over that or to hit them too hard. Using this feature, you can search tweets by time frame. You can use the filter, use hashtags and all these other things in here. You can get popular results, recent results, basically a little bit of everything. You can tell it how many results you want to bring back. And one cool thing is like if you're not based on results. For example, if I search for dog training and I ask for 1,000 results, that counts as one query in my rate limits. It doesn't count as 1,000 queries, it counts as one. So you don't have to worry about overdoing it in that regard. Once you search something, in all of these features that are where they return data, you can create a report, and basically this will send a spreadsheet to your desktop with all of the table information so that you can use it later. Additionally, you can, this is one of my favorite features here, get user followers. For example, I could, what I'll do in here is search myself, my business account, and I'll bring back 5 results for now. I'm going to hit get followers, and what this will do is return 5 of my random followers. From here I can send this to the posting queue, and as you can see over here it says who you got the followers from and how many are in the list. From there you can post a custom message to those followers. For example, something along the lines of, hey, I notice you're friends with so-and-so, so am I, we have similar interests. From there, you would come down and click the Tweet to Followers checkbox, click Generate Posts, which will then generate the posts, and add them to the queue. After that, all you have to do is hit Run Twitter, and it will send this message out to all the people in the followers list that you just generated. If you run on down the page here, you can see that there's some instructions on how to use lists. You'll notice on Twitter that people create lists, and to get the information down here, like all of the lists from that user, the list information, the members on that list, and the tweets that the list has put out, you basically need to start with the owner of the list. And once you find his or her username, you can come over here, put the user ID in here, and then hit get the list IDs. When you get the list IDs, then you can take the list ID and put it in this block, hit get info, and it will run out and get the information for that list. The list ID is used throughout the last few features here, as you can see, but it all focuses around getting that initial group of lists that you want to research. And we've created this so that you can, this little save IDs only, it will create a text file on your desktop so that you don't have to keep on going back and forth between the spreadsheet. It makes it very easy for you. Or you can save it as a report, which will bring back the full length of information, the columns of data that Twitter provides to you. It's kind of a handy feature, and I'm sure that you'll like it. A few other things are you can get your own retweets here. See that I can get the list of people that have retweeted me lately, the people that mention me in their timeline. I can follow or unfollow any user here. Just put the ID in there and then hit the button. You can get a user's timeline. You can get their retweets by tweet ID. Just put the tweet ID in here, hit get retweets. You can get the user's details. You can get their followers, as we just went through. You can get the people that they are following here. Just put the user ID, and just like we did previously, you can get their favorites and basically the list functions as well. Right now, the only thing that you can send to the post queue is the followers. And I hope you have a lot of fun with this feature. We had a blast making it, and I'm sure that you can read between the lines here and see how valuable this can be as far as tweeting out people that have like interests as you, gaining a lot of friends, jacking your followers up with legitimate followers, not spam followers. There's just 1,000 applications for this. Have a good time with it. We'll see you in the next video.